Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making a clay mask using bentonite clay, just about that amount, then apple cider vinegar, just about that amount, water to balance everything up, then a rubber spatula. You don't have to use metals because I read that metals react with the bentonite clay. So, and some drops of peppermint oil. I like mine to be runny so that it can be applied properly. So that's me applying in sections. I actually section my hair, and I'll be applying in sections. After I finish with each section, I twist that up and then proceed to the next. This video is going to be a short one, so we'll try to see how we do that. So that's me after applying everything on all the sections. Then I cover that up. The reason while I cover it is for it not to dry so much, because the weather is actually dry. Then that's me after rinsing it out. You can tell that my scalp is clear and clean. This mask helps me a lot because each time I'm about to go on a long-term protective style, I usually use this mask to help keep my scalp free from itching, dandruff, and build up. So clarifying your hair before a long-term protective style really helps a lot. And maybe if you have had a long-term protective style, you could just clarify to clear your scalp. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.